Hey guys, I got my pool guy Steve here. He's going to test out the HJM Trihauler. Let's see if he skins a knee or not. Let's hope not. Nice and slow. There you go. Hey, we're going to keep him in pedal assist 1, so we're not going to let him go over 6 miles an hour to begin with, but there he goes. He's going to check it out. Now, Steve services our pool once a week. If you're in Manatee County here, make sure you go and check out his business, Flow Pool Services. I'm going to give you a shot of the logo and the phone number. Check him out because he's a great guy. He's the owner of the company. He does a super good job on our pool. Really appreciate him. Hey, he liked that trike so much, I think he took off with it. Good thing he left us his truck. Where'd you go, Steve? There he goes. Way down there. Let's zoom in. Yeah, he's got the hang of this already. Pump it up in the 2, 3, 4, or 5 if you want to go faster. So that thing goes 15.5 miles per hour right now, but I can set it so it goes up to 21. And that's a crazy ride going down the street at 21 miles an hour.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You like it?
That's very nice.
Yeah, you're going to be buying one before long, aren't you?
I will, yes, you're right. When you pedal while it's running, does it recharge? Like
No.
No, eh?
Technology's not there yet. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, in fact, these batteries take, they'll take, 6, 8, 10 hours, depending on the size of it, to charge up just from a wall socket. So if you can imagine, it would be very little coming from the pedal.
Yeah, yeah.
So.
And so what's the range like, though?
So this one happens to have 2 batteries. You got a battery inside here and one underneath your seat. So just say this battery alone, I can go easy 30 miles on that. But with both batteries, I mean, realistically, yeah, 55, 60 miles.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, it is pretty nice though.
It's a beautiful bike.
Isn't it though?
This is stunning. I mean, it's so comfortable just,
And you didn't feel like you were going to tip over, did you?
No, no.
Yeah, see there guys, I told you, a nice stable bike. That's one of the things about this particular one. It feels nice and solid.
Yeah.
I've got some other ones that feel a little rickety. And when you make a turn, it just feels like you're getting ready to flip over. Yeah.
No, this is pretty good. I mean, when you turn off the sidewalk, off the driveway, it's comfortable.
Didn't feel like you're going to go. Yep.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Super. All right, man. I appreciate that little mini review.
Thank you. I appreciate the ride. That's
yeah,
good.
you betcha. And I just told everyone in Manatee County, do you service Sarasota County?
I do. Everywhere.
Hey, guys, check it out. Sarasota County as well. So make sure you call Steve at Flow Pool Services. He'll get you taken care of.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.